Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to turn off app icon badges specifically for posts from people you follow on the X app. If you've ever been distracted by those little red dots on your home screen, this quick guide will help you take control and keep your notifications a little cleaner. Let's get started. The first step is to open the Settings app on your phone. This is where you'll find all of the controls for how your apps behave. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you see the option called Apps and tap on it. This section is where you can manage everything installed on your device. Next, find and tap on the X app. This will open up the settings page just for that specific app. You'll notice a few different options here, but the one we need is related to notifications. So go ahead and tap on Notifications. Inside Notifications, you'll see that they're broken down into categories. This is important because instead of turning off all alerts for the app, you can choose exactly what kind of notifications you want to keep and what you want to silence. To fine-tune this, tap on Notification Categories. From here, look for the category called Posts from people you follow. This category controls the alerts that appear when someone you follow posts. If you only want to deal with the badges and keep everything else how it is, tap into that category. Now you'll see the option to toggle off app icon badges. Simply switch that off, and from this point forward, you'll no longer get those dot notifications on your home screen whenever someone you follow posts something. This small change can make a big difference in how often you feel the need to check the app. Without those badges constantly appearing, you can focus on notifications that matter most to you and avoid unnecessary distractions. And that's it. You've just learned how to turn off app icon badges for posts from people you follow on the X app. It only takes a few taps, but it can really help streamline your notification experience.